Ever pondered the secret behind the crisp, savory delight that is a Chinese egg roll? Wondered how the layers of delicate pastry wrap around a medley of flavors only to yield a satisfying crunch with every bite? Well, today is your day, as the mysteries of Chinese cuisine unfurl right before your very senses. Welcome to a culinary journey where we unravel the secrets of making the perfect Chinese egg roll stuffed with fried shrimp and rice. First, gather all the ingredients. For the egg roll filling, you'll need half a pound of shrimp, 1 cup of cooked rice, 2 cups of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. You'll also need a dozen egg roll wrappers and oil for frying. Begin by frying the shrimp. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the shrimp and cook until they turn pink. Remove the shrimp, chop them coarsely, and set them aside. In the same pan, add the garlic and saute until it turns golden brown. Then add the shredded cabbage and carrots. Stir-fry the vegetables until they soften slightly. Now add the cooked rice to the pan, followed by the soy sauce. Stir everything together until well combined. Finally, mix in the chopped shrimp. Now comes the fun part, rolling the egg rolls. Place 1 egg roll wrapper on a flat surface. Spoon a generous amount of the shrimp and rice mixture onto the wrapper. Fold in the sides and roll the wrapper tightly. Seal the edge with a bit of water. Repeat this process with the remaining wrappers and filling. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Once the oil is hot, carefully slide in the egg rolls, one at a time. Fry them until they are golden brown, then remove and drain on paper towels. And there you have it. Crispy, delicious Chinese egg rolls with a succulent filling of fried shrimp and rice. To recap, the key to a perfect egg roll lies in a flavorful filling and a tightly rolled wrapper. Start with frying the shrimp, then stir-fry the vegetables and rice. Roll the filling in the egg roll wrapper and fry until golden brown. This recipe exemplifies the spirit of Chinese cuisine, a balance of flavors and textures wrapped in a neat, edible package. It's a versatile dish that you can customize with your favorite ingredients. So why not give it a try? You might just discover your new favorite snack. And just so you know, the journey doesn't stop here. The world of Chinese cuisine is vast and varied, teeming with countless more dishes to explore. So stay tuned for more culinary adventures. Until then, happy cooking.